Mortgage rates are headed a little higher, rising above recent record lows. The average rate on a 30-year fixed loan right now at about 4.61%. That's well above the 4.17% rate from just a month ago, which was the lowest on record dating back to 1971. Rates are rising now after dropping for 7 months. So what kind of effect is this going to have on the still fragile housing market out there? Pava Leyrer with Heritage National Mortgage. Thanks for your time tonight, Pava. They had nowhere else to go, right?
Well, absolutely. They were so low that where else are you going to go? Zero? I mean, so that now the rates have to come back up, and they'll come back. The cycle's happened a lot, but this is very unusual. They were so low for so long.
They were super low because that was just not reasonable. That's not an attainable mortgage rate. What's driving it right now? What's driving the rise?
Well, that's if you talk. It depends on who you talk to. But when you look at the economy and all of the news that's out there, anytime you're going to hear signs of inflation or the economy news, you're going to see those rates start to climb and change. But truly, there is no place for them to go but up.
They had to level out. You need some sustainability here. Looking at what probably low to upper fives in the next quarter, but you still have a lot of hoops to jump through to get a loan with the bank. Is that where a lot of people are getting hung up?
That is truly where everybody's getting hung up. When you think about it, a 5% interest rate is still a fantastic rate. So the rates aren't the real problem. It's the people trying to get the loans that are having severe difficulty in trying to get that and taking a lot longer to do that. You need to have really detailed documentation, and you want to start early if you want to look at trying to get a home so you know what you need.
Pava, read the tea leaves if you could for us. As we look at that year out now, is this just going to be a slow crawl out? Like everything else in this economy in the state, a slow crawl back to normal?
I don't think we'll see a normal for quite a while in our market because things were so bad for so long. I think it's going to take longer to get back to what everybody knew. So what everybody knew was normal. Now everyone's tighter, everyone's more conservative. So when you look at it from that perspective, yes, I think it's going to be a lot more time and a lot more understanding and knowledge in order to get where you want to be.
Still a buyer's market?
Absolutely a buyer's market. There's great prices. The rates are great. Just because they're 5 and you've gotten 4.5 or 4, they're still great rates.
Do you think the prices are coming down? Do you think that people understand what's going on and that they're willing to budge a little bit, or are people stubborn?
I think that people are compromising and moving and looking at what needs to be done in each individual situation. And I think it is a buyer's market. They're seeing what's out there and the advantages they can have to home ownership, and I think it's a great time to buy.
All right. Pava Leyrer, Heritage National Mortgage, thanks for your time tonight.
Thank you.